Hello everyone. Afternoon. So before we start our topic, I want every of you to imagine a world. It's old-fashioned, but imagine a world without poverty. But it's not kind of like about the will. It's about the knowledge. Reach out by the latest technology that the people who live in the poorest area can retrieve their basic human rights. That is the right to be educated. All of the open educational resource that welcome billions and billions of students without physical boundary. It is not the profit of tomorrow. It is happening and it's restructuring our world. So today we are going to share with you about the impact of the technology on learning. It matters to all of you because, as the old saying says, never too old to learn. But more than that, we hope ourselves to learn to be smart and to learn a smart way to learn, right? So it is important to understand the pros and cons of this new way. To start with our topic, let's name some of them here.
So these are some positive changes that the new technologies have brought to our learning process. And first of all, thanks to new technologies, we can learn without boundaries. We can learn. You can learn at any time and anywhere you like. I believe that everybody here has heard of MOOC, right? MOOCs. It means massive open online course. So on platforms like Coursera, edX, etc., we can attend. You can attend a course provided by, for example, Ivy League university, such as Harvard, Yale, at a very low cost or even for free. So we can now literally learn without the limits of time and spaces. I believe that every one of you know very well of the YouTube channel Adi Ingwen, right? So that is one of the examples that we can now learn without boundaries. And take a personal example. A few days ago, roughly 2 days ago, I wanted to learn French pronunciation. And so I searched on YouTube for a clip of French pronunciation, and I watched it. So that's the first pro. And secondly, we can now easily get access to knowledge than before. Let me ask you a question. Classmates, how do you usually get your essays done? Essays or papers or any kind of homework. How do you usually get them done? And how do you look up to the information you need?
How long does it take?
Maybe a week.
Like Wikipedia, right? So in the past, maybe in our parents' generation, when they need to get some work done, they literally have to go visit a library and dive into thousands of volumes of books to get maybe just a little piece of information that they needed. But now, everything that we need is just a few clicks, right? We can just type the keywords on the searching engine and make a few quick clicks, and then we get the information and data that we need, because they are now all online. And last but not least, nowadays we have many various innovative learning materials like VR, AR, and 3D printing. Isn't it fantastic that nowadays in your maybe earth science class or astronomy class, you can just put on your VR gear, and then you can float in the space without really getting your foot on another planet. Yeah, so these are a few advantages that we came up with about the new technologies on learning.
Although we have mentioned about a lot of benefits about learning through the method of technology, we have some cons on this issue. The first one is distraction. Now everyone look at me. Do you really know what we're talking about right now? Really?
Yes. I still want Tinder guys. Sorry, Tinder guy and Tinder queen, right? So can you tell us what's that topic?
So a study shows that 92% of students using their phone texting while they're in class, not to mention using Facebook or Twitter or WhatsApp. And the second issue is about copy and paste. Now we have posed a question about how you finish your essay or your report, right? So may I ask Kitty, how do you finish your report or essay? Never finish? Okay. Or maybe Tina, can you tell me how you finish your report or homework? By Googling or searching on net, right? So that's really a high efficient way to finish your homework. But however, this will cause some copyright issue, or at the same time, they will rob you of self-independent thinking. And the last point is about misinformation. There are fake news everywhere. Do you know that nowadays people can create videos of people saying things that they never said before? It's unbelievable, but actually it's true. If you're interested in this kind of topic, you can search this video on TED Talks. You'll find a way to dig out how they make the fake videos. And now let's welcome Hera to sum up for us.
To sum up, technology advance is unavoidable, and we use technology to facilitate student learning has come with many positive benefits, like we have mentioned. However, there are two sides to every story. While the positive outweigh the negative, the downside of technology still exists. Although technology is something seen as a threat and does have its limits, we integrate it into our learning, offer a new way for us to access technology. And at last, we still need to thanks to technology. Education is no longer confined to the wall, to the classroom. YouTube video and social media do not have to be a distraction. They can be a part of our course material. That's make technology reform our future learning. Thank you.